Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of PopGoblin. Today we are doing an unboxing. We ordered this on Target, by the way. These are also here.
Hi.
But we ordered this on Target, so we need scissors. Puffy. Hand me the
Scissors, please.
There you go.
Okay.
Child safety scissors. I'll help you. Here. Switch me. Here you go.
All I see is your arm. Move your big hand.
Hey, leave me alone. Here you go.
Packaging. We got chocolates.
Chocolates. What type of chocolate?
We're pulling everything else. We got a
S'mores.
Demon Sawyer keychain. We got Brea little baby Minnie Mouse outfit.
Yes.
We got some Eagle chocolates.
Eagle chocolate.
Is that what I call them?
Eagle chocolate.
What else is on the thing? And we got
Hot dog gummies.
3-piece hot dog gummies.
Okay, that just looks gross.
Hot dog gummies.
So I'm just gonna keep the box over here.
Flipping hot dog gummies.
Okay.
You want to try them?
Yeah, you want to try some hot dog gummies?
Now I know.
Not right now.
You gotta show off every single item right now. Show them everything. Every item. Okay.
Okay, let's start with the Demon Slayer keychain. We
You
need
gotta
this
move
right
these
thing.
scissors.
We open the demon. We need the scissors again.
Do I?
Yes.
Yeah, we got the scissors. We'll just throw them out. Oh yeah, we got the nice Furby tablecloth, guys. Like Furby Furby.
So we're not gonna get it.
Totally.
Tilt the camera, bring it downward.
Here. Good observation.
It's the Ghost Kid.
Yep,
Now.
Ghost Kid, guys.
Yep, that makes so much sense.
Do you know his name?
Nope. No, I
Just
don't.
say it on the packet. Who's the Ultra Wearers?
Nezuko. I'm assuming angry Nezuko and some dude. I don't know.
Yep, Nezuko and some dude.
Do you want to try hot dog gummies?
Yeah, let's open this hot dog. Hand me scissors.
They're right here.
Fine.
That looks really disturbing.
Yeah, I don't know about the hot dog gummies. Do you know?
No, watch. Watch big fingers. Ta-da! I'm trying one face. We started ordering these. Never mind.
Yeah, you want to eat that?
No.
You lost one.
Anyway.
Okay, we opening another one. They smell wonky. Smell wonky donkey.
Right before anything, smell it.
Smell it. How's it smell?
Smells like a gummy.
Smells like a gummy. Not a hot dog.
Eats it.
It tastes like a hot dog.
Ew.
No,
Dude, for real?
no, it tastes like a. It's like a gummy, but like a different type of gummy.
Hmm.
Here, pay.
So, Lee, your turn.
What?
Your turn with the gummies.
I gotta eat the gummies?
Yep.
So
I
do
need
you,
here
Puffy?
a full-on
And so do you,
description.
Puffy.
Full-on description.
Here, I guess we'll take turns.
That's
tastes
kind of
like.
good.
We'll take turns. Here's hold the camera.
Where's the hot dog?
That is a
And the
hot
hot
dog.
dog. See this hot dog?
The red thing right there. That's
See
the
that?
hot dog.
I know, that's what I'm talking
I
about.
was to go show him the hot dog.
Me too. Oh, guys, we've been exposed. Press the fingernails. You can
So
have.
bright out here.
We don't have pretty fingernails. We can just stop. What is
I'm trying to show
I'm
him the hot
dissecting the
dog.
hot dog. What is this?
Just eat it.
What the?
You took the sausage out of the hot dog. What kind of monster are you? And you have the ketchup and relish in the hot dog.
Is that what it's supposed to be?
Wait.
What
Why?
is that?
Why?
Is this how private caters are made?
Is it? I don't know. It tastes like crab patty. No, no, no. Your turn,
You have to
puppy.
put
Get
it
over here. Get over here.
No.
Yeah.
Oh no, it's that
Here,
camera.
you take this.
Wait, did you describe it?
Like a crab patty.
You said like a crab patty.
It
Yeah.
tastes like a crab
Yeah, it
patty.
literally tastes like a crab patty.
It's really good.
Are you eating another one? There's 40 of these?
Why does it look like that? Look at my hot dog.
40 pieces.
Dissect the hot dog for us.
Why?
Okay, now eat it.
Ow.
Ow.
I'm on steak.
There's 40 pieces. There's 40 hot dogs.
I don't know if I like this.
It
It tastes like a Krabby Patty.
I think it's it being a hot dog is disturbing me.
Yeah.
What do you want to try next?
What about the brownies?
It's not brownies. These are s'mores chocolate. It has like marshmallows and graham
these off to
crackers
the
embedded
side.
in it.
Put these off to the
Oh,
side.
is that Brian's little hoodie? Or little
Yay.
swoop?
Yeah. She got a little pants. It's laid out. Laid out. On top of scissors. That sounds great, guys. Great ideas.
Yep, getting a good view of the first.
She has pockets. She has little pockets. Oh, it's so cute. I'm looking at it upside down from this camera, but it's cute. It says Minnie Mouse.
Well, I'm getting it up ways. So.
Minnie Mouse. It's cute. Okay. What do you guys want to try next?
Okay.
We have two different types. Move the scissors from the table, you crazies.
I want to try these because we always try this. It seems.
S'mores. You want to try it first? Okay, he wants to
No, stand against the wall.
Nice, get up.
So this is like equal chocolate.
You go flavor those?
Raspberry.
Oh, I love these.
He calls them eagle chocolates.
What is that on the thing?
It's an eagle. You're very
it's
smart. I'm sorry for
chocolate.
questioning your logic. Here, hold the camera. I'll get it open.
That's why I did it open.
They glued it shut. You need another hot dog gummy?
No.
After you said that it's
Stop. Are you even
nasty.
filming anything?
Yeah.
Guys, do you see us?
Yes. Sort of.
Come on.
I'm like,
You don't get one of these because you're not being a good camera person.
what? I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Here's your thought about that. Here's yours.
I want one.
Here's mine.
guys
Puppy, well,
Here's
mine.
mine.
There you go.
Stop eating the hot dog.
Yeah, stop eating the hot dog.
Okay, this is the last one.
Okay, here. You try yours first.
Okay.
I love this. Raspberry.
Oh, look at that one. There is shadow. We can't see it outside.
Mmm. The raspberry.
Is it good?
It's actually really good. Because it's dark
Really good.
chocolate.
Is it good?
Yum, yum, yum. I'm filming your food.
Wait, is it dark chocolate?
I believe so. I think so.
Yeah.
It is dark chocolate.
Raspberry dark chocolate.
Interesting. Here, hold the camera.
Okay.
What's your review?
Yeah, where's your review?
20 billion stars.
What are you doing? It's stars.
20 billion stars on
Let's do
this
this by 1 to 10.
of chocolate.
20 billion.
Well, quite
Well,
cool. Nom, nom, nom. I asked her why she was filming, but that's kind of her job.
yeah.
We've been eating these evil chocolates for 1
It's really
like,
good.
1 hour.
Okay, is that it? Like, can you just try flavor here?
Raspberry.
Raspberry.
It's really good.
This is better little deal. Raspberry.
It deserves 20 billion stars.
A 10 out of 10. Hopefully Puppy was filming okay because she's too busy stuffing her face over there.
No, I'm not.
Such a liar. Anyways, you guys want to try the s'mores next, or are you just going to keep eating the 40-piece hot dog gummies? You weirdos. Bro, there's like a stack of trash over here we got that way. Oh, there goes more.
Alright.
Now we got these beautiful things.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
I like
S'mores
my hot
chocolate.
dog gummy.
Would you like to open that?
Watch, listen.
Okay.
Silence.
Let's use your beautiful hands. I just call his hands beautiful. Any day now. That was a horrible. What? It's the plastic. Come on. You good? Hold the camera. Because someone didn't want to rip it right. It's fine. Nightmare bag. Okay, this is scams. They barely gave us anything. It's fine. Really. There, have one for me.
Oh, I'm still eating my raspberry.
I'm not eating hot dog.
It's so weird. Anyway. Can you rub my tiny one?
So what's in it?
Marshmallow. Graham crackers. Chocolate.
That's a graham cracker?
Yeah.
I don't know what.
Mm-hmm.
I'm pretty sure it's dark chocolate or the milk chocolate.
It's milk chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
Okay.
still really good.
This is what we're looking at right now.
Yeah. It tastes really good though.
Pretty sure they didn't just add cereal to this.
Sure. I'm positive. Just gonna
There's
look
a
around a bit
marshmallow.
more. Minnie Mouse. More pants. As I get done eating. Being boring. Minnie Mouse.
Well, why don't you describe the flavor to me?
Oh, like a s'more. It's like it's been cooked on the campfire with a hint of vanilla.
What about you, bud?
Delicious, delicious, delicious. I'm gonna 5 out of
5 out of 10.
10. No, 7.
I rate it at 8 out of 10 stars just so I look like a better person. No.
I don't know.
An 8 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
I know, it tastes like they added
Anyways.
cereal to it.
No, it doesn't even taste like they added cereal. Like milk chocolate doesn't even taste like milk chocolate.
I think they added vanilla to it.
Might be the s'mores.
Mm.
Well, is that it for this video?
Yes. Are you living over there? Come on, let's do the outro. Leave it alone.
Come on, buddy.
Come on, we gotta go.
You're busy playing with trash.
Okay, that's it for this video.
Okay.
We
Bye.
out.
Yeah, we're out.
What about me?
Oh yeah, Puppy's there. Here, if you get over here, we can get a shot of you. Come here.
I'm good. I
No,
haven't.
no, come. I don't care. Come here. You
I
got
only
nice.
did the outro. Oh my god.
Come on.
I'm good.
She has
Come
a
on.
nice YouTuber sweatshirt, even though she doesn't even watch the YouTuber.
Don't call her out. Don't
Okay,
call her
y'all
out.
just do the outro.
Anyways, that's it for Fire Ninja, Lee TNT, and Poppy, even though she's not here. Technically. Adventures of eating candy and everything else. That's it. So, be sure to like, subscribe, check out our Instagram,
And Twitter.
and TikTok.
Before I did that, no, please subscribe.
Okay, bye.
Yeah. That's it.
Bye.
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 Thank you. Someone said bye.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.